Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili egg. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, chili oil, and soy sauce. Don't forget green onions and sesame seeds for garnish. You'll also need a good non-stick pan and a spatula to ensure easy cooking. This simple dish is quick to prepare and incredibly flavorful. Now, let's cook those eggs. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in your non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully crack 2 or 3 eggs directly into the hot pan. Cook them until the egg whites are fully set, but the yolks remain wonderfully runny. This creates a delightful texture contrast for our chili egg. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, it's time to add the star flavors. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite chili oil generously over the eggs. Next, add about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to enhance the savory notes. This combination creates a rich and spicy base for our dish. Your delicious chili egg is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic served immediately over a bed of warm, steamed white rice. For a balanced meal, consider pairing it with a side of fresh, crisp vegetables. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of chili oil to match your personal spice preference. Enjoy this quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.